Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you so much for joining the family. In today's video, the unit we have to try on is from Sensationnel, and this one is their Dashley unit. It's from their butterfly cut collection. Is that a collection? I'm not quite sure. Anyways, this one is a butterfly cut unit. I have her in the style lace unit 37 in the color chunky highlight 27. So let's see what we have. Alright you guys, so this is what the stock card looks like, and this one is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. This one is just a deep center part wig with some baby hairs. For the key features on her, she comes with a virtually undetectable HD lace and some other stuff right there. I think I already mentioned that we have her in the color chunky highlight 27. This is what we have going on straight out of the pack, and just looking at her, I feel like this one has a bit of shine to it, and I don't know, we'll see how that turns out. Anyways, this is what we have going on. She comes with one comb on each side, one comb at the back, our adjustable straps, and this unit already comes spotted as a middle part. This is what the lace that we have going on is looking like, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
보여 옆에서 말했어 한순간이었지 bittersweet to me now got me going crazy someone just tell me why 하나 둘씩 내게서 더 멀어지지 마 baby you 오직 너만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만 Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right. I just want you in my life, keep you warm and nice. Baby, I still love you. 안 되겠어 이대로는. Can I say that? I just love you. 네 모습이 아름다워. 근데 baby, I still love you. I don't wanna believe there's a thing. Can you let me say it again? I still love you. 건너편에 앉아 있던 너의 모습이 아직도 난 잊혀질지는 몰라 Baby I'm leaving you 그때 했던 말들이 맴돌아 in my mind I'm honestly feeling like I am so lost 마음이 그저 흔들리잖아 Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right I just want you in my life keep you warm at night Baby I still love you 안 되겠어 이대로는 Can I say that I just love you 네 모습이 아름다워 근데 baby I still love you I don't wanna believe there's a thing Can you let me say it again I still love you Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. your problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right.
All right, you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and as per usual, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I don't like this one. This unit is giving lifeless. I don't know, it's not just working for me. I honestly had high hopes for this one because I was hoping it was going to be similar to the free tress cotton bang wig that I reviewed a while ago, and I absolutely love that one. The only thing that I like about this unit is the color. Besides that, I don't know. I feel like I get what they were trying to go for, but it just, you know, is not working out. I don't know. I don't like it. And the texture as well, it comes in this silky, synthetic-y like texture that's not one of my faves when it comes to synthetic wigs. I don't like, you know, that texture when it comes to synthetic wigs. And it does come with a lot of shine as well, as you guys can see. I don't have dry shampoo at the moment. I probably would have sprayed that to try to see if it was going to dull the shine, but anyways, not a fan of that as well. And I did experience a bit of tangling while I was trying to run my fingers while I was trying to brush it out. Sorry, I did experience a bit of tangling with her. Shedding was pretty minimal, nothing too crazy. And if your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, I feel like this one might fit a bit too snug for you because she does feel really snug on my head, so it might be a bit too snug for you if your head is bigger than mine. So yeah, you guys, I think we've pretty much covered everything. For my final thoughts on her, I'm not a fan of this unit at all, so I would not be recommending her because I don't honestly think that I'll wear this one out. That's just the honest truth. I don't think I'll wear this unit out. Like, it could have done with a little bit more work. Sensational, like I get what they were going for, to be honest. I do get the idea that what they were going for, and it would have been so beautiful if it was well executed, right? But anyways, it is what it is. This is what we have. Not a fan of it, would not be recommending this one. But hey, if this is your vibe, if you like what you see, you could go ahead and spray with a dry shampoo and see if that will help you dull down the shine a little bit. But anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.